We'll get to the news now, and you always have lots of questions for us about the vaccine, and especially this week as it's going to be opening up for appointments for anyone 16 years old and older. So as always, to help answer your questions, Kelly Dudzik is live for us with more on what you need to know today. Hi, Kelly.
Hi, Kate. Good afternoon. Now, our first question isn't about the vaccine itself, but it's about the card you get after you get your first dose. Remember, you aren't supposed to take a selfie with your vaccination card because scammers are using the info to make fakes. But what about laminating them once you get both doses or your one and done dose of the J&J vaccine? Some office supply stores are even offering to laminate your card for free. So Denise G wrote, should the card get laminated? People are commenting that it should not because if there's a booster, it will need to be recorded on your card. So laminate or not? There have also been reports of cards getting smudged or damaged when they're laminated. So I asked the New York State Department of Health about this to see if it had any guidelines to pass along, and I didn't hear back today from them. And the card is issued by the CDC through your healthcare provider, but I did not find any information on the CDC's website about whether you should laminate your card. It does say to hang on to it and consider taking a picture of it to use as a backup copy in case you lose it. And it says make sure you bring your vaccination card with you to your second shot appointment. So laminating is up to you. And at this point, we still don't know if people will need to get boosters yet. Another viewer wanted us to verify something for her about the vaccine's side effects. Karen M. sent this question in. She says, since having my COVID vaccine, I've been experiencing a sour, acidic taste and smell sewer-like smells. Nobody else can smell or taste what I do. I've been trying to research, but there's not a lot out there on this. So searching online today, I found information from an NBC News report from last week that talks about some people reporting a metallic taste after the first dose of the Pfizer vaccine, others after the Moderna vaccine. It went away for them after a few hours or a few days. And a doctor interviewed for that story said sometimes people interpret the tastes as salty, bitter, or rancid. So Karen, you are not alone, but this is not a common side effect. And the CDC says if your side effects are worrying you or you do not seem to be getting better after a few days with them, call your doctor. And keep your questions about the vaccine coming. You can find me on Facebook or Twitter. And coming up new at 6 o'clock tonight, we'll be answering more of your questions, including what you can do if you have to cancel an appointment. Kelly Dudzik, Channel 2 News.